multiplying monomial by monomial. For example, 3x is a monomial and another monomial is 2y. Both are monomials because there is only one term in an algebraic expression. Okay, both are monomials. Therefore, multiplying monomial, one of the monomial is 3x, another monomial is 2y. And the multiplication is 3x multiply 2y. Here multiply means number to number and variable to variable. X multiply y. So 3 into 2, 6 and x into y, xy. That is final answer is 6xy. Okay, that is final answer is 6xy. Next example. Suppose 5x square yz and minus 3xy square z cube. Okay, both are monomial terms. And multiplication of the monomial to monomials. There is one monomial, there is another monomial. So 5 into x square yz multiply minus 3xy square z cube. Okay, z cube. So here number multiply with number. 5 multiply minus 3. That answer is 5 multiply minus 3. X square multiply with x. X square multiply with x into y multiply with y square and z multiply with z square. Z multiply with z cube. That is 5 3 is 15 but negative 15. X square into x, that is power 2 and that is power 1. 2 plus 1, 3, x raised to 3. Y1 or y square, that is y raised to 3. Z1 and z raised to 3, that is z raised to 4. Okay? And similarly multiplying by a 3 or more terms with a monomial. Next topic is multiplying 3 or more terms. 3 or more terms means polynomial by a monomial. By a monomials. Okay. For example, 5x multiply 3y multiply minus 8z by 3xy by 4xyz. Okay. So here multiply with 5x multiply 3y multiply minus 8z whole multiply with 4xyz. 4xyz. Okay. So here 5 into 3 into minus 8 into 4 and multiply with x multiply y multiply z, x multiply y multiply z, multiply xyz multiply with xyz. So 5 3 is 15. 15 8 4 is 32. 32 into 15, that is minus 480. That is negative 480 xyz into xyz. That is x square y square z square. And that is final answer. Okay. Here find the area of the rectangle. Here length and breadth is given. Area of the rectangle formula, that is equal to length multiply breadth. Length multiply breadth. Okay. So means area means multiplication of length and breadth. That is a monomial terms. That is also a monomial terms. So multiplying by monomial means 3x multiply 5y. 3x multiply 5y. That is 15xy. That is 15xy. Okay, clear? 15xy. Next one. 9y multiply 4y square. 9 into 4 number multiply with a numerator constant term, multiply with constant term 9 and 4 and variable term multiply with variable term y square and y raised to 1, that is y raised to 3. Okay. Similarly 4ab multiply with 5bc, constant term multiply with constant term, 4 multiply 5, 20, a is only one time, b into b, that is b square, and c is only one time. Okay, next one, 2l square m into 3l m square. Constant term multiply with constant term, 2 3s are 6, l square into l. L 2 time plus L 1 time, that is L raised to 3, M 1 or M square, that is M raised to 3. And that is final answer. Okay. Say here. Here question number, example number 4. Find the volume of the cuboid. What is the formula of volume of cuboid? Volume of a cuboid is equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. Okay. And here length, breadth and height is given. That is a length, that is a breadth, that is a height. That is a monomial terms, monomial terms, monomial terms. There are 3 monomial terms. So monomial terms, 3 or more than 3 monomial terms multiply with monomial terms. Concept वही है. Therefore, 2ax multiply 3by multiply 5cz. तो concept क्या है? Constant term multiply with constant term. 2, 3 and 5. First we multiply constant term. 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. A B C into x y z means A B C x y z आ सकता है. A B C x y z. All are different distinct variables. All are distinct variables. Yes or no? All are distinct variables. Similarly, m square n into n square p, length multiply breadth multiply height, into p square n. Clear? Chalo, identify the variable m square. That is another m. Yes, that is another m. M square into m, that is m raised to 3. N, that is 1m, that is another n. N square. 1 plus 2, that is n raised to 3. P one time or p square, that is equal to p raised to power 3. Clear? Yes or no? Chalo, next one. Length multiply breadth multiply height, 2q into 4q square into 8q cube. So numbers multiply with numbers. 2 into 4 into 8. First we multiply number multiply with number, means constant term multiply with constant term. 8 4 ja 32, 32 2 ja 64, 64. Q one time q square q cube, q one time is q raised to power 1. So 3 plus 2, not in multiplication form. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, that is q raised to power 6. ओके, वेरिएबल में क्या होता है? पावर का, पावर मीन्स जो एक्सपोनेंट है, दैट इज एन एक्सपोनेंट, उसका हम एडिशन करेंगे, नॉट इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्म. तो 3 plus 2 5 और q one time, that means 1 times 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 times, that means q raised to 6. Here monomial terms with monomial terms, find the product means multiplication, that is equal to 4 monomial terms multiply with monomial terms. 4 multiply 7p. So constant term multiply with constant term, that is 4 7 are 28, and constant and variable as it is 28p, that is final answer. Therefore product of 4 and 7p is equal to 4 into 7 28p. Similarly, monomial terms is minus 4p and another monomial terms is 7p. Constant term multiply with constant term, 4 7 are 28, negative sign as it is, and p into p, that is p square. Similarly, third one, negative 4p multiply with 7p cube, monomial terms with monomial terms. First we multiply with constant term, 4 7 are 28, minus 28, p into p, p square, q, that is final answer. Next one, 4p cube multiply with minus 3p. So monomial terms multiply with monomial terms. First we multiply constant. 4 3s are 12, negative 12. P raised to 3 and p raised to 1, that is p raised to 3 plus 1 power 4. Similarly, monomial terms 4p multiply with monomial terms with 0. So constant term multiply with constant term. 4 multiply 0, 0 and p, 0 into p. Any number, any variable multiply with a constant 0, that answer is equal to 0. That answer is 0. Here, question number 2, find the area of the rectangle with the pair of the length and breadth respectively. Area of rectangle formula, length and breadth. First value is length, second value is breadth. So put this value in this form. First quantity length है, second quantity क्या है, breadth है. Therefore area is area of the rectangle. Therefore area means A, that is length into breadth. What is length? Length means first term, P. Breadth means second term, that is Q. P into Q, that is a PQ. Similarly, area means area of the rectangle A. Area means A. And area is equal to length into breadth. Short form of length is L. Breadth is B. First term, L, what is L? L is equal to 10M. What is B? B is equal to 5N. And here, constant multiply with constant term. 10 5s are 50 or mn as it is. Okay. Similarly, same to same, third, area is equal to length into breadth. What is length? What is length? 20x square. And what is breadth? 5y square. Here, constant term multiply with constant term. 20 into 5, 100. X square and y square, that is x square, y square. Similarly, for fourth, area is equal to length into breadth. Length is equal to 4x. Breadth is equal to 3x square. And 4 3s are 12. X into x square, that is x cube. And fifth one, area is equal to length into breadth. Length is equal to 3m and breadth is equal to 4 and p. Constant term multiply with constant term. 3 4s are 12. There is only one time n. 2 times n, that is n into n square. And 1 time p, that is p. Final answer is 12mn square p. Okay. Question number 4. Obtain the volume of the rectangle. What is the formula of volume of rectangle? Volume of rectangle is length into breadth into height. First quantity is length, second quantity is breadth, third quantity is height. V is equal to L into B into H. L means length, B means breadth, H means height. What is length? 5a multiply 3a square multiply 7a raised to 4. So constant term multiply with constant term. 5 3s are 15. 15 7s are 105. How many times a? 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. That is a raised to power 7. Similarly, volume is equal to LBH. What is L? 2p multiply 4q multiply 8r. 8r. So constant term multiply with constant term. 8 4 ja 32, 2 ja 64, and multiply with variable term p, q, and r. Similarly, volume is equal to LBH. L means x into y multiply 2x square y multiply 2xy square. That is equal to constant term with constant term. 2 2s are 4. Here x is 1 time, x 2 time, and 1 time. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4 times. That means x raised to power 4. Similarly for y 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 y raised to power 4. Okay, and last one, volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Length is a, breadth is 2b, height is 3c. So here constant term multiply with constant term, 3 2 is 6, a b c, that is a into b into c, and that is final answer. Here, find the product of these terms. How many terms are there? 1, 2, and 3 terms. Find the product. xy multiply yz multiply zx. How many times x? 1 and 1, 2 times. That means x square. How many times y? Y. That is y square. Z into z, that is z square. Okay. Second one, minus a multiply minus a square multiply a cube. How many times a? 3 times. 3 plus 2 5 times, or 5 plus 1 6 times. A raised to 6, and minus sign as it is rahegi. Okay. Next one. Here 2, there are 4 terms, 1 2 3 and 4. 2 multiply 4y multiply 8y square 16y raised to 3. Here numerical term multiply with numerical term means constant term. 8 2 is 16, 16 8 into 16 256, 256 into 4, that is 1024. Y 3 times, 3 plus 2 5 times, 5 plus 1 6 times, that is y raised to power 6. Similarly a, 2b, 3c and 6bc, there are 4 terms. Multiply a multiply 2b multiply 3c multiply 6 abc. First constant term multiply with constant term. 6 3 is 18, 18 2 is 36. A, how many times a into a square. How many times b, b into b square, and c into c square. 36 a square b square c square. And last one, m multiply with minus m and multiply with m and p. Identify how many times m? 1 2 3 times, means m raised to power 3. How many times n? 1 and 2 times, that is n square. P is only 1 times, that is p. And minus sign as it is rahegi, that is minus m cube n square p, that is final answer. Okay.